How we transformed an old welding robot into a cutting-edge AFP system. Have you ever wondered what happens to old industrial robots when they are retired? What if I told you we could transform a defunct welding robot into a state-of-the-art machine that's shaping the future of manufacturing? Sounds unbelievable? Stick around and I'll show you how we did it. Back in 2019, we teamed up with our friends at Compositadour, who had an old KUKA robot that had seen better days. It was once a workhorse for welding projects, but was now just gathering dust. Here's something you might not know. Industrial robots are incredibly adaptable. With the right technology, they can be reprogrammed and repurposed for entirely new applications. At Composites, we have developed a plug-and-play solution that can convert any industrial robot like KUKA, ABB, FANUC, Kawasaki, Yaskawa, you name it, into an advanced manufacturing system. In this project, we transformed that old welding robot into an automated fiber placement system, or AFP for short. If you're unfamiliar, AFP technology allows for precise placement of continuous fiber tapes onto mold surfaces, creating high-performance composite materials. These composites are critical for building lightweight and strong components in industries like aerospace, automotive, and beyond. By breathing new life into an almost obsolete robot, we have turned a depreciated asset into one of the most valuable machines in modern manufacturing. This isn't just cool tech trick. It's a game changer. We are lowering the barrier to advanced composites manufacturing, making it accessible to workshop and research centers all over the world. So what does this mean for you? Imagine the possibilities if more people could access this technology. Lighter cars, more efficient airplanes, groundbreaking research. The sky's the limit. Let's embrace a future of innovation and sustainability. If you have an industrial robot collecting dust, maybe it's time to give it a new purpose. Join us at Composites and let's transform the manufacturing landscape together, one robot at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to visit us at composite.com and subscribe for more insights into the future of advanced composites manufacturing. Let's move towards a lightweight, strong future with advanced composites.